morning, students. So, as I told you in our last video, in our last lecture, that from this chapter now, we have to cover a few more important name reactions for phenols, and then the last part of the chapter, that is ethers. So, let us continue. So, in the chemical reactions of phenols, we have Friedel-Crafts reaction, this one. A name reaction, very important reaction, and of course this reaction can be asked in a 90% chances are there. So, alkylation and acylation, there are two types of Friedel-Crafts reaction. Now first one, alkylation reaction, as you know. Introduction of alkyl group. Introduction of alkyl group means R, methyl, ethyl, on phenol. You know the structure of phenol. So alkyl group, when it is introduced on the benzene ring in phenol, then the reaction is called Friedel-Crafts alkylation. And when acyl group, COCH3 group is introduced on the benzene ring in phenol, then it is called acylation reaction. Very important part here is, when you write down Friedel-Crafts reaction in any chapter, on the arrow where the reactants are giving product, we show arrow. Please keep the reagent in mind. Anhydrous AlCl3. Very important. So this aluminum chloride is a catalyst, you have to write, very important, otherwise you will lose marks. Then Rimmer-Tiemann reaction, next one, the name reaction. And in Rimmer-Tiemann reaction, phenol can undergo one or two steps of alkaline hydrolysis with NaOH, where the phenol first gets converted to sodium phenoxide. H के जगह पे Na आ जाएगा यहाँ पे फर्स्ट स्टेप में, फिर सोडियम फिनॉक्साइड कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा हाइड्रोलिसिस के बाद। एक ग्रुप इंट्रोड्यूस होगा यहाँ पे CHO नेक्स्ट स्टेप में, और आपको क्या मिलेगा, CHO ग्रुप अटैच टू बेंजीन रिंग इन द फिनॉल. So phenol is giving hydroxy aldehyde compound in this Rimmer-Tiemann reaction, very important reaction. So and this particular compound is called Silis aldehyde. So these two main reactions are over, and here we have the coupling reaction. Now coupling word is mostly used in the reaction when the final products are dyes, color, जहाँ पे कलर डेवलप होते हैं, और one of the reactant is very important reactant, diazonium salt, benzene N2Cl. Diazonium salt, very important class of compound, where with this compound we can prepare large number of very important commercial product. For example, look at this example here. Diazonium salt reacting with plus phenol, OH attached to benzene phenol. Purposely we have shown this H. This is carbon, and each carbon here is containing one H. So one H you show like this purposely, क्योंकि आपको दिखाना है कि ये H और Cl क्या फॉर्म करता है, HCl, and it is lost as a byproduct. तो बचता क्या है यहाँ पे, this part will get attached to N2. See, N2, this part attached to phenolic part, remaining part. And this particular compound is nothing but azodye. Dye means color applied to fabrics, permanent color. फैब्रिक को आपको कौन से भी कपड़े में कलर दिखता है जो इजीली धोने, इतने बार धोने के बाद भी वो नहीं जाते, इसलिए उनको क्या कहा जाता है, डाई. azodye because ये azo group है and double bond है. In any molecule if you see it is azo group, so azodye. Next one, the last category, last part of the chapter, in this chapter, ethers. Now ethers, as you know, the general formula of ether is ROR dash, where R is the alkyl group attached to oxygen. Now these alkyl groups can be same also, they can be different also. Methyl, ethyl group attached to oxygen. So with the main functional group in the ethers is O. ROR dash. Classification simple and mixed, already you know. Simple means similar alkyl groups are attached to oxygen, dimethyl ether example. Mixed ether means different alkyl groups are attached to oxygen, so it will be mixed ether. For example, ethyl methyl ether example. Okay, and I will see many examples we have seen, so you just have to refer my notes and the points will be clear. And also you have solved example from the review exercise. Okay, where for each chapter, okay, at the end of the each lesson I have given practice for, okay, questions, practice question to, okay, clear the concept more easy. Now in IUPAC nomenclature, the ethers are named as alkoxy alkanes, ये आपको पता है. तो एक एग्जांपल, सिंपल एग्जांपल मैंने यहाँ पे लिया CH3OCH. तो यहाँ पे दोनों अल्काइल ग्रुप सेम है, तो कौन सा भी अल्काइल ग्रुप आप एक अल्कोक्सी ग्रुप बना सकते हैं. जैसे मैंने ये पार्ट ले लिया, ये बन गया मेरा मिथॉक्सी मिथऑक्सी ग्रुप, अल्कोक्सी मिथॉक्सी. तो क्या बोलते हैं, इसको भूल जाना. एक कार्बन है तो ये अल्केन का नाम क्या होता था, मीथेन. तो ये हो गया मिथॉक्सी मीथेन. वैसे बहुत सारे एग्जांपल हमने देखे, वो टेबुलर फॉर्म आपको घर पे रिवाइज करना है, प्लीज रिवाइज प्रॉपर्ली. Now two main important preparation methods of ethers. Name reaction, Williamson synthesis. So in Williamson synthesis, you know that we take one molecule of sodium alkoxide. यहाँ पे हम लोग ने लिया सोडियम मिथॉक्साइड, रिएक्टिंग विद मिथाइल ब्रोमाइड एल्कोल. चैप्टर में हम लोग ने ऑलरेडी रिएक्शन पढ़ा है. सो मिथाइल ब्रोमाइड एंड यू विल गेट व्हाट, ईथर, मिथॉक्सी मीथेन. Second method of preparation from alcohols, where we have taken two molecules of alcohols. Okay, purposely I have to write like this to show the elimination of water. OH from here, H from here is lost, so this part gets attached to methyl group and you get ether. Okay, so these are two main methods of preparation of ethers. And the last part, reactions of ethers. In the first one, halogenation. अब halogenation मतलब addition of halogen to ether. Okay, now here alpha hydrogen atoms of ethers will be replaced by one halogen atom. अभी alpha hydrogen atom मतलब क्या है, आप एक एग्जांपल ले लीजिए ईथर के लिए. your functional group है oxygen. These are the carbon atoms attached to oxygen directly, so they are called alpha carbon atom. And hydrogen present on these alpha carbon atoms are called alpha hydrogen atom. तो जब हाइड्रोजनेशन रिएक्शन आप कैरी आउट करोगे एक ईथर के साथ, तो फर्स्ट स्टेप में एक हाइड्रोजन कम होगा और एक हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पे ऐड हो जाएगा. सेकेंड स्टेप में और एक हाइड्रोजन ऐसे ही रिप्लेस होगा और एक हाइड्रोजन ऐड होगा, तो आपको डाइक्लोरो कंपाउंड मिलता है. क्लोरीन अगर लिया तो डाइक्लोरो कंपाउंड मिलता है. इन जनरल क्या कह सकते हैं हम लोग, that in halogenation of ethers we get dihalogen compounds. Okay, dihalogen ether ऐसा बोल सकते हैं. More specifically, dihalogen ethers in halogenation reaction. In oxidation reaction of ethers you will get peroxide. So practice the reaction properly. It is a one-step reaction. So oxidation of ethers will give you peroxide compounds. Now very important, halogen acids reacting with ethers. Now you take example of HCl or HBr or HF. Okay, more specifically whatever they have given in the text. For example, this example they have given here. Now in this case, if simple ether is reacting with, for example, HF or HCl in cold condition, simple ether मतलब alkyl group सेम रहेंगे reacting with HCl. Okay, so one molecule will get alcohol and one molecule will get alkyl iodide. ओके, ये मॉलिक्यूल ब्रेक हो जाएगा, हाइड्रोजन अगर यहाँ पे ऐड हुआ तो एक अल्कोहल मिलेगा CH3OH, और ये Cl यहाँ पे ऐड होगा तो CH3Cl. ओके, सो यू गेट alkyl halide, haloalkane, and one molecule you will get alcohol. Okay, but if you take mixed ether, मिक्स्ड, देखो इथाइल मिथाइल इधर एक मिक्स्ड ईथर है, तो कोल्ड कंडीशन में पहले देखते हैं रिएक्शन क्या है. कोल्ड कंडीशन में स्मॉलर अल्काइल ग्रुप विल फॉर्म आयोडाइड. स्मॉलर अल्काइल ग्रुप, ये स्मॉल है, एक ही कार्बन है ना, तो मिथाइल ग्रुप विल फॉर्म आयोडाइड एंड इथाइल ग्रुप विल फॉर्म अल्कोहल. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, कीप इन माइंड, दिस इज अ ओके इन द रिएक्शन पार्ट, these are the very important reactions which are asked in board exams. Okay, so you get these compounds, and if you take hot HI, okay, slightly raise the temperature for the reaction, treat with HI, so we get only one product, okay, that is iodides of both the alkyl group. You will get CH3I, you will get C2H5I, मतलब दोनों आयोडाइड आपको मिलते हैं, वो अल्कोहल नहीं मिलते, दोनों आयोडाइड मिलेंगे. ओके, और इस तरह से हॉट HI के लिए हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स डिफर हो जाएंगे, अल्कोहल नहीं मिलेंगे. ओके, एंड लास्ट वन हाइड्रोलिसिस, एंड इन दिस केस दे हैव गिवन द हाइड्रोलिसिस इज वाटर. सो वाटर अगर आप यहाँ पे ऐड करेंगे ईथर को, तो ऑफकोर्स आपको क्या मिलेगा, अल्कोहल, 2 molecules of alcohol. In this case you will get CH3OH, CH3OH if you treat with water hydrolysis. So dear students, this was all about this chapter, just briefing the chapter, okay, what we have done, and wherever possible again I have given some explanation for the important part. Okay, so go through this particular explanation properly today, okay, and keep your doubts ready. In our group itself you can type the doubts, okay, and immediately I'll just go through your doubts, okay, and try to explain in the group. Okay, one doubt and explanation for the doubt in short, okay, where we will get full marks instead of writing okay big answers and wasting time. So I'll guide you how what answer you have to write for that particular doubt. So I'll type the answers for you, so it will be available for all our other students also, all your friends and our students in your class. So prepare well, go through this part also well. Okay, so this chapter is over. Okay, and today only after some time you will get the video link for, okay, might be at 12 o'clock you will get the video link for amines. I think amines chapter, okay, the first chapter we started with haloalkanes and haloarenes, that part is over. Now this chapter is over. Okay, so now amines and aldehydes and ketones and carboxylic, 2 chapters are remaining. So I'll try to wind up giving the 15-20 minutes demo lessons for you, where again I think aldehydes and ketone chapter will be split up. Amines will complete in one lecture, but aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic is a lengthy chapter, so for that chapter you will get 2 videos. Okay, might be one video, first video today only, okay, till the evening after checking this part if you have any doubts, and then for amines and aldehydes and ketones part you will get the video link at at 4 o'clock, 4 or 5 o'clock I'll send you that link. Then again you just go through and keep your doubts ready for that part, and in the tomorrow morning you will get the last part of that chapter aldehydes and ketones video revision part for carboxylic acid. So till the morning 11 o'clock you will be I'll wind up with my revision part, then you start for your preparation for the exams. next lecture today. Okay, so revise well and wait for my remaining two video links. Thanks. See you in the next lecture. Bye.